Go to your Facebook, go to the profile or page or group that you want to report for harassment. Tap this three dot, tap on report profile. In here, select bullying, harassment or abuse. And how is it bullying, harassment or abuse? Select any option. Who is being harassed? I'm selecting me. And you're about to submit a report. Just check this option again, then tap on submit. And that's how we can report harassment on Facebook. Now let's see how to do it from Messenger app. Go to your Messenger, go to the chat, tap the chat name or this info button, scroll down, tap on report, harassment, tap on submit report, and that's how you can actually do it.